Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit or delete a message in Google Chat on mobile. So you can open the Google Chat apps, or if you happen to download it, you can open the Gmail account. So I'm going to open the Google Chat apps because I have downloaded, and select the chat message, and um, select the message, and you can click edit if you want to edit, and if you want to delete, just click delete. For example, select edit and just write mm, okay, and this edited, and if you want to delete, just click delete. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.